So one of the best things you can do to expand your business is to start a YouTube channel. So it is the most popular video streaming service, bringing massive online traffic and constant streaming services. So it will maximize exposure and help your brand become recognized within your market. And it is the second most visited website on the internet, with nearly 2 billion monthly users logging on to watch videos every day. So clearly it is a great way to connect with your audience and keep them engaged for longer periods of time. You also get repeated traffic and views from existing audience, right? So in this video I will show you how to kickstart your YouTube channel in 2021 and make it successful. So watch this video till the end to get exclusive bonus on how to increase your subscribers and keep growing your audience to your YouTube channel. Subscribe to my channel Ravi Bandaru to view latest videos I post in this channel, and click on bell icon to get notifications whenever I post new videos in the channel. So let's get started. Right, the first and foremost thing is you can do is develop a clear vision and strategy for your channel. So before you start creating content, right, so you want your channel to appeal to a specific audience so that you are able to connect with your core market, right? You want visitors to immediately understand what you have to offer and that your content appeals to their interests, right? This is how you connect to your audience and quickly build a large following on YouTube, right? All of your content should be unique, right? Highly targeted and relevant to the products and services you are offering, right? This requires careful content planning, right? You have probably already decided on a general focus for your channel. So this is the time to dig a bit deeper and create a content plan that helps you stay on track, right? So this will ensure that your channel is focused and what your audience want most, right? The key to YouTube success is being consistent in terms of the type of content you offer, as well as uploading fresh and unique content on regular basis. So create a content plan that help you stick to that overall theme, right, which is utmost important in your YouTube journey. Next thing that is important is create a attention grabbing description, right? Believe it or not, a lot of new YouTube channels often overlook the importance of highly optimized channel description. This is the first thing that people often see, and if someone is interested in subscribing to your channel, chances are they're going to read your description to determine whether it is something worthy and relevant to what they're most interested in. Therefore, create a well-written, keyword-optimized, informative channel description is essential to the success of your YouTube channel. Right? So potential subscribers find this when they click on your app. Let's see how to update the YouTube channel description. So once you go to your YouTube channel, click on this customize channel. So let it open. So here you can see the branding part where you can put like profile picture, you can put banner image, you can upload video, watermark, and also basic info about your channel, right? Your channel name and description, what is about channel description, like channel URL, and you can also add some links in your channel and links on the banner, right? So you can also provide contact information. So this is what the information you can see here on the channel. This is the channel links. These are channel links, and this is about your video channel, right? So it's important to you update channel name and description for users to find your channel while they are searching about tab. Next thing that is important is search engine optimization, right? This is the critical part of any successful YouTube channel, right? This is what puts your videos on top of the search results on YouTube as well as search engines and social media sites when people are searching on the internet, right? So to do keyword research, you can also use tools like Google Keyword Planner or Google Trends, right? So you can start evaluating different keyword phrases using these tools to determine what people are actively searching for and also what keywords are relevant to your market, right? The chances are you will uncover a ton of high traffic keywords that you have not even considered using keyword research. Right? I'm using like a tool called TubeBuddy for doing keyword research on my channel. So I will show you how to use this channel and find um, high traffic keywords using this tool. So this is the tool TubeBuddy that I'm talking about. So you can install, you can see the link in the video description below. So you can install this plugin to get the stats. So let me show you this plugin. So this is a TubeBuddy plugin, right? So the dashboard, and so it has various options: dashboard, videos, playlists, comments, right? Keyword Explorer. So you can open Keyword Explorer. So let's open Keyword Explorer. Right, so this Keyword Explorer, you can find a keyword like say keto diet and search. Right, so this is a very poor keyword. So this keyword is searched often, but it's a bad keyword to target. Right, but if you search for alternate keyword for beginners, right, let us say that. So this is a very good keyword. So like this, this tool gives a score where you can whether you can target this keyword for your YouTube videos or not, right? So similarly, you can search for any keywords in your niche and find good keywords which has a decent amount of competition and also decent search volume that you can target to make your videos, right? Here you can see score analysis. So the search volume is excellent, right? Competition is fair, like not highly competitive, and it's optimization. You can easily optimize this keyword, right? So this is the Keyword Explorer. Similarly, you can use keywords using Keyword Explorer, Google Keywords Explorer, and Google Trends to do the SEO for your keywords. Right. Also, TubeBuddy gives a lot of other features like video topic planner. You can also find tags. You can also see what are the best time to publish and different other tools. I will give a link to this TubeBuddy in the description. You can click on the link, sign up for a free version, and try it for yourself. Again, so YouTube like consistency, right? So you have to commit to a schedule when you are creating content and uploading content onto YouTube, right? You want to make sure it is the schedule that you can stick, since your subscribers will begin on rely on content updates on those days, right? So you can publish weekly or daily intervals such as Monday, Wednesday, or Friday. When you are first getting started on YouTube, you want to put as much quality content as possible. So see what you can realistically commit to per week, right? So in the beginning, you want to quickly build a backlist of videos so that you are able to keep people engaged when they arrive on your YouTube channel. Publishing your videos, so next best thing to focus on is understanding your audience, right? So it is essential that you need to know who are the users viewing these videos, who are liking it, and who are commenting on your videos, right? Also, you should get some visual snapshot of who your average customer is. So more you know about your target audience, it's easier it will be to create engaging content they will be interested in, right? So you can find more about your audience in analytics section of the YouTube admin panel. I will show you what stats are useful from the admin panel and how you can make use of these stats to increase, to understand type of visitors you are getting as well as what they are spending time watching. I am running for WordPress. And so once you go to your channel, go to customize channel and you should to get the stats of your audience, right? It will open your channel dashboard. So you can see the channel dashboard. Here you can get insights of channel analytics, like how many subscribers, how many views, right? What is the watch time, who are the top videos in your channel. Then you can go to the analytics section, so to see the audience, right? So total views, right? Total views, total watch time, and various stats and how many subscribers came in the last 28 days and all. So you can also see the reach, right? What type of traffic source you are getting, what are the impressions and click-through rate. So there is the audience tab. So once you go to audience tab, you can see who are the unique viewers, average viewers, and various stats, demography and age and gender, right? Who are the audience that are viewing your videos, and also like locations, geography, right? Like which location are they viewing your videos from, right? So based on that, you can understand your audience behavior and you can customize your videos to suit that audience. So you can also see the engagement, like how much users are watching your videos and what are your top performing videos, and what is the audience engagement for those videos. So you can analyze all these stats and build your videos based on your audience, target audience. Videos is creating an interesting thumbnail, right? So the thumbnail is basically the picture that you click on when you want to watch a video, right? It should be clearly indicate what the video is about. So even though your title and description should also reflect the topic of your video content. One option is to choose a freeze frame from the video that you have uploaded, right? For example, if you are a baking company who also sells a product to bake with, you might upload a video on how to bake brownies, right? So you can choose a freeze frame from the video that shows you mixing the batter, right? YouTube automatically generates a few that they think are good ones, and so this is fairly easy to do. But the most popular option is create a custom thumbnail, then upload it, as you can incorporate something that may not be in the video but will entice people to click on it, right? I will show you some of the thumbnails I created in the videos I uploaded so that you can understand what type of thumbnails you can create. So here you can see some examples of thumbnails I created. See, the thumbnail should not contain more than 2 to 3 words, and it should easily identify what is your video about. So these are like most of the review posts I created. So you can see like the words are clearly visible. It should be bigger words and don't put too many words. Maximum 3 words in your thumbnail, 3 words or 3 text words, and also add some image So you can also put your personal image if you want to increase your personal brand, right? So put some image and graphics, and mostly put the text on the left side and image on the right side, because when you search for YouTube videos, most of the right side part sometimes get overlapped with icons. So better you put your text on the left side and the image on the right side. So these are some other examples. You can start creating these YouTube thumbnails using Canva. I use Canva to create my YouTube thumbnails. So it's easy to create good looking thumbnails using Canva. So I will provide a link of Canva software in the description. You can click the link, and you can try Canva for free. So next thing is know your competition. So just like your business does in the real world, you should keep tabs on your competitors' YouTube channels, right? So not only can they help you better understand your audience, but you will be able to find inspiration from successful channels in your market, right? So set some time aside each week to review a handful of top channels in your niche, right? Pay attention to the videos that receiving both highest and lowest number of views, right? Watch them yourself and pay attention to the different elements in the videos as well as the general style of the channel, right? So what they are doing that you are not doing, how could you improve their videos, what did you personally enjoy, what did you personally dislike. So all this information will help you improve as well as shape your content, so that it will be likely appeal to your market, right? So these are some of the techniques I use to build success in my YouTube channel, and you can also follow, right? There are many more tips and techniques I listed out in my ebook, YouTube Kickstart Guide, right? Please grab your copy of this ebook by clicking on the link in the description of the video below, right? This will guide you to make grow your subscribers and keep your audience coming back to your channel again and again from time to time. I hope I gave you valuable information in this video. So subscribe to my channel to view latest videos I post in this channel, and share this video to your friends to pass on the benefits of these techniques. Click on the bell icon to get notifications whenever I post new videos. Let me know which of these techniques work for you in the comments below, and any other related questions. So please also visit my blog ravibandaro.com to view interesting blog posts I post in my website and latest trends on video marketing.